Good morning, students. So let's continue with the chapter that is issue of debentures. Take down illustration 21. Yesterday we were doing the problems on issue of debentures at collateral securities. We would be continuing the same even today. A Limited company issued debentures of 1 lakh which were issued as follows. For cash 90%, for creditor rupees 20,000, capital expenditure in satisfaction of his claim 25,000, to bankers for loan rupees 15,000 as collateral security. The issue of 1 and 2 are redeemable at the end of 10 years at par. Pass necessary journal entry for first year only. So write down journal entries, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. First entry, bank account debited to debenture, application and allotment account. It is only 90%, so 50,000 into 90% is 45,000 debit, 45,000 credit. Write the narration, application money received. Next, second entry, debenture application and allotment account debited, discount on debentures account debited to debentures account. So debenture application is 45,000, actual was 50,000, so 5,000 is the discount. Write the narration, transfer of application money to debenture account issued at 10% discount. Next, third entry is fixed assets account debited to vendors account. How much is it? 20,000 debit, 20,000 credit. Write the narration. Capital expenditure made for the purchase of asset. Next entry we have vendors account debited, discount on debentures account debited to debenture account. How much was the claim for? 25,000. How much did the creditor actually pay? Only 20,000. What is the discount? 5,000. Write the narration. Debenture issued to vendors at discount. Creditor is 20,000 but capital expenditure claim is 25,000. Next entry we have is on the collateral security. In that the first entry will be loan entry. So bank account debited to bank loan account. How much is it? To bankers for loan of 15,000. So 15,000 debit, 15,000 credit. Write the narration. Loan taken secured by the issue of 25,000 debentures. Next entry we have debenture suspense account debited to debenture account. 25,000 debit, 25,000 credit. Write the narration. Issue of debentures as collateral security. Last entry is statement of profit and loss account debited to discount on debentures account. So 5,000 into 1 by 10. Why 1 by 10? Because it is redeemable after 10 years. So every year 1/10 will be written off. So it is 1,000 debit, 1,000 credit. Write the narration. Transfer 1/10 of discount to statement of profit and loss account. After the problem, take down a note. As the debentures are redeemable after 10 years, 1/10 of the discount will be written off from statement of profit and loss account. Take down illustration 22. M Limited issued 10,008% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. It purchased fixed asset of a value of 2,50,000 and took over liability of 40,000 and issued 8% debentures at a premium of 5% to the vendors. On the same date, it took a loan from the bank of 1 lakh and issued 8% debentures as collateral security. Record the journal entries. So write down journal entries, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. The first journal entry will be bank account debited to 8% debentures, application and allotment account. How much is it? 10,000 into 110. Why 110? Because there is 10% premium. So 11 lakh debit, 11 lakh credit. Write the narration. Application money received on 10,000 debentures at rupees 110 each. Next entry, 8% debenture, application and allotment account debited to 8% debentures account to securities premium reserve account. 11 lakh, 8% debentures 10 lakh, 1 lakh is securities premium reserve. Write the narration. Transfer of application money to debenture account and securities premium reserve account. Next we have purchase of fixed asset account debited. They have also taken current liability of 40,000 to current liabilities account to vendors account. So how much is the fixed asset? 2,50,000. Liability is 40,000. Vendors will be 2,10,000. Write the narration. Purchase of assets and liabilities. Next entry we have vendors account debited to 8% debenture account to securities premium reserve account. So what is the premium? It is 5%. On how much? 5%. On 100 it is 5%. So we need to find the total number of shares. 2,10,000 is the purchase rate. Divide by 105. How much do we get? 2,000. So securities premium is 2,000 into 5, 10,000. Debenture is 2,000 into 100, 2 lakh, and vendors is 2,10,000. Write the narration. Issue of 2,000 debentures of 100 each at 5% premium. Next we have collateral entry. Bank account debited to bank loan account. 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write the narration. Loan taken secured by the issue of 1 lakh debentures. Next we have 8% debentures suspense account debited to 8% debentures account. 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write the narration. Issue of debentures as collateral security. Next we need to do the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2012. Particulars, note number, current year, previous year, and then we have notes to accounts. That is particulars, amount and amount. So first we have reserves and surplus. Under that we have securities, premium, reserve. How much is it? 1,10,000. Next we have second one, long term borrowings. %8 debenture. How much is it? 13 lakh. Less debenture suspense account 1 lakh. How much is it? 12 lakh rupees. Then we have bank loan in bracket on collateral security of 8% debentures of 1 lakh. How much is it? 1 lakh rupees. So 13 lakhs. Next in the balance sheet, first one we have equity and liabilities. Under that, shareholders funds. Under that, reserve and surplus, note number 1, 1,10,000. Then we have non-current liabilities, long-term borrowing, note number 2, 13 lakh. Then we have current liability. In the question they have given us, it is 40,000. Next, second one we have assets. Under assets, fixed assets. How much is the fixed asset? 2,50,000. Clear? So this is how we work out the problems on collateral security. So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.